This 2025 Entegra Coach Aspire 44R is a Class A RV. It is located in Duncan, South Carolina, 29334 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Spartanburg. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Entegra Coach is 44 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, Slideout, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2025 Entegra Coach Aspire 44R is built on a Spartan K2 Raised-Rail chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.